First, let me briefly introduce myself. I'm Hanrui Zhang, and I'm a fourth-year graduate student in the Department of Medical Pharmacology and Physiology. And I'm working in Dalton Research Center with Dr. Hanrui Zhang. And I mainly focus on studying the vascular dysfunction in type 2 diabetes. About what inspired me the most in my work, I think it's the feeling of accomplishments. It's exciting to see that your experimental data have matched your hypothesis, but it's also beautiful to find out that your experimental data actually told you a completely different story than what you thought. And I enjoy the whole process. And also, one person may only contribute a little to the progress of the field, but when all the efforts are put together, that will make a great difference, and I enjoy to be part of this. My project is about the role of bariatric surgery on the inflammation in the fat tissue, and also the functional impairment of the blood vessels. And the reason we are interested in this part is because the incidence of obesity and type 2 diabetes is increasing dramatically these years. And the clinical evidence clearly demonstrated that the bariatric surgery has benefits on the body weight control and glycemic control. However, very little is known about the effects of bariatric surgery on the inflammation in the fat and the impaired function of the blood vessels. And that's why we examine the benefits of bariatric surgery on those parameters. I think definitely the American Heart Association is making great difference in the future of this field. And first, American Heart Association is helping me toward my dream, and I believe it's also very important for the career development of young scientists to become independent in the future. And I think American Heart Association also did a lot of work for the education of patients. I went to the American Heart Association scientific sessions each year, and I always saw patients, and they attend sessions, and they make notes, and they even ask questions for the seminar speaker. And I'm really impressed by them, and they are trying to get themselves exposed to the most cutting-edge field of the research. And I'm also encouraged by them to work harder, to do more, to contribute more to the development of therapeutics for the cardiovascular disease. And also, I think the most important thing is the American Heart Association also has created a lot of opportunities for the kids and high school students to get involved in scientific research. And I think that will help them to make a decision when they get to the point what they're gonna do in their future. And that may help them to decide if they want to become a cardiologist or a researcher in cardiovascular science. And we'll know how important for the future of this field when we do this for our kids and younger generation.